After a long time, I'm back with a new episode of Maths. I think this is 5th episode, I guess. Okay, whatever it may be. So, welcome back to the new episode of Maths. And in this video, we are going to discuss about basic proportionality theorem, Euclid division lemma, and angular bisector theorem, BPT, EDL, and ABT. Basic proportionality theorem, Euclid division lemma, and angle bisector theorem. So, without any delay, let's get into the video. What is basic proportionality theorem? Okay. And these three theorems. Only basic proportionality theorem and angle bisector theorem are for triangles, and only Euclid division lemma is different from these two theorems. So, what does BPT, basic proportionality theorem, says? Let's take a triangle which has three sides. Let's take a triangle let's take a triangle ABC. Okay, so mark the midpoint of AB as M, midpoint of AC as O, and midpoint of BC as N. So M and O. Okay. And we don't need the midpoint of this. Okay. Consider the midpoint of AB as M and midpoint of AC as O. If we join these midpoints of these two sides, midpoints of these two sides, it is parallel to the third side and it is half the third side. When a line drawn through the midpoints of two sides, it is parallel and half of the third side. This is what the basic proportionality theorem says. Okay, if you say these two are parallel, yes, and if you check the measures, this BC is double of MO. It is exactly double of MO. So this is what the basic proportionality theorem says. I'm just repeating the definition. If you want, you can note. The basic proportionality theorem states that if the midpoints of two sides is done together, it will be parallel. It will be parallel and also half of the third side. This is what the basic proportionality theorem states. Okay. Only this. Let's take one more triangle. Mark the midpoints. These two. Join these two. So this is parallel and it is half of this side. Let's join these two. Let's take midpoint of these. Join this. This is parallel and half of this side. Join this. It is parallel and half of this side. A mini triangle is fit into this triangle, yeah? Okay. Yes. This MO is parallel to BC and MO is half of BC. And let's take this midpoint as N as usual. And MN is parallel to AC and it is half, and MN is half of AC. ON is parallel to AB and ON is half of AB. This is what the basic proportionality theorem states. Next, what is Euclid division lemma? This is a very, very basic concept that you are coming on reading from 3rd class, but you don't know what this theorem is. But you are learning from 3rd class itself. Let's see what is that. What does this Euclid division lemma states? It sounds weird, but it is very simple, and even 4th class students can understand this. This Euclid division lemma is also used for 3rd class. From 3rd class it is useful. Okay. What does this Euclid division lemma states? If A, B belongs to whole numbers there exist Q and R belongs to rational numbers. Let's take rational numbers divisor and dividend, where if A is divisor and B is dividend, then what would be the formula? You are going on reading this formula from your childhood. It is nothing but dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So B is equals to AQ plus R. This is what the Euclid division lemma states. B is equals to AQ plus R. This is what the Euclid division lemma. You are going on reading this from your childhood, but you don't know the name of this theorem. But this belongs to Euclid division lemma. This formula was proposed by Euclid, which we have noticed the name itself, Euclid division lemma. Okay, so I think you have understood what is Euclid division lemma. Okay, so then what is angle bisector theorem? This will be a little difficult to understand, but I will express in my own words and I will make my level best to understand. I will make you understand. It is a little bit tough to understand angle bisector theorem because it belongs to 10th class. Even I took time to understand this because I am 9th class itself. Okay. Okay, what is angle bisector theorem? Okay, take a triangle. This also belongs to triangle. Take a triangle. Yes, this is a triangle. Let's suppose this triangle is ABC. Angle A, angle BAC. If the angular bisector of angle BAC is extended to meet the other opposite side, then this C AB by BC is equals to B. Let's take this point as O is equals to BO by CO. That is what the angle bisector theorem is. If any angular bisector is extended to meet the opposite side, it proportionates the opposite two sides with the two sides of the midpoint, which is joined to the angular bisector. I think I have understood. See, this angle BAC. For this angle BAC, AO is the angular bisector of angle BAC. Okay, so this angular bisector is extended to meet BC, and this is correctly touching the midpoint of this, and that midpoint is named as O. Then AO is the angular bisector of angle BAC. Yes, I think you have understood till now. Okay, so then if this happens in any triangle, then AB by AC, simple. The opposite sides is proportional to this adjacent sides of the midpoint which is joined. This is what the angle bisector theorem states. I think you have understood. If there is any confusion, I will explain again. See, AO is an angular bisector of angle BAC. Okay, so this angular bisector is extended till BC. Yes, and it met the BC at the point O, and this point O cuts the BC into two equal parts, BO and CO, and AO is the angular bisector of angle BAC. Yes, till now it is easy to understand. When this happens, then AB by AC. Okay, this is AB by AC. Yeah. Then AB by AC is equals to BO by CO. This is what the angle bisector theorem states. If you have any confusion, any doubt regarding these three topics, you can post it in comments, or you can post it in comments. I'll be either replying you in the comments, or I'll make a separate video for the doubt, particularly to your doubt. So I think I have understood all the concepts which we have discussed in this video. This video may be very short because these three are just theorems, and these theorems will be very much helpful in your higher studies in 10th class, even in 9th class. There are some problems based on basic proportionality theorem. There are some problems on this. Even I have these problems. But the theorem belongs to 10th class, but I have problems of this in 9th class itself. Okay. Nothing to discuss, nothing to worry. If you have any queries, any doubts, any confusions, just push it in the comments. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. With the leave, signing off. Your logical brilliance. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe for more videos.